Hello, let's learn punctuation, part 2. Today we would be focusing on exclamation mark. What is an exclamation mark? Don't be confused. You know it. Yes, this is an exclamation mark. Hope you remember it. We use exclamation mark after words that show our feelings of anger, joy, surprise, or fear. We can also use an exclamation mark after commands or orders, interjections, and exclamatory remarks. Then what are interjections? Interjections are words that show strong feelings or emotions of happiness, anger, hatred. Let's see the use of exclamation mark. What a beautiful place! Yes, here I have used an exclamation mark at the end to show my feelings of surprise. Don't run! It's a command. Help! Help me! So I need help. Therefore, I have used the exclamation mark. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. And I have used an exclamation mark at the end because I want to express my feelings of gratitude. See you next time.